everyone, it's Coach Fred here. I'm going to be going over the College Board's Study Guide SAT Practice Test 10 Math Non-Calculator question number 10. And looking at this question, you can see that we have the graph of a parabola opening up, and it says the graph of y equals 2x squared plus 10x plus 12 is shown. If the graph crosses the y-axis at the point 0k, what is the value of k? Now they love to do this. They love to ask you for an x or y coordinate, but by giving you a different variable for it. Like they'll use a and b a lot. They'll say, okay, find a, find a and b. What they mean is x and y. So in this case, they said 0, k. So what they're actually asking you for is the y coordinate when x is 0. So they're just asking you for the y coordinate when x is 0. They're asking you for the y-intercept. Now on this particular task, practice test 10, everything, the first couple of questions, I mean there's been so many questions so far. I'm only at question number 10 and I think I've answered y-intercept questions 4 times already. So how do we do it? Well, we take our function, we let x be 0. So we substitute 0 in for x. Now I'm doing all the work here, but you don't really have to because we know that's going to go to 0. We know that's going to go to 0. And so y equal 12. Y will equal 12. So when x is 0, y is 12. Now, some of you might have remembered that when you're given y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, a standard form of a quadratic equation, that the c term will always be my y-intercept. It's always a nice little trick to remember that that will always work out to be the y-intercept. Why? Because, well, if x is 0, this goes away and this goes away. You're left with that value. So in this case, my answer would be 12. All right, guys, have a great night.